In today's video, I will walk you through how to upload a logo in Xero and update company branding. To get started, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen where your business name is displayed. Click on your business name to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your business information and account settings. Once you're in the Settings section, look for Organization Details. Click on Organization Details to open the page that contains your company information. When the Organization Details page opens, you'll see several options related to your business information. Locate the Upload Logo option. This is the setting you'll use to update your company logo. Click on Upload Logo. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse the files stored on your computer. Navigate through your folders until you find the logo file you want to use. Once you've located the correct file, select it and continue with the upload. After selecting the file, click to upload it. Xero will upload the logo and apply it to your company branding. Once the upload has finished, your new logo will be associated with your company profile. Take a moment to confirm that the correct logo has been uploaded successfully. If you ever decide to replace your logo with a newer version, you can return to the same Organization Details page and repeat these steps using a different logo file. If you experience any issues while uploading your logo, check the file type and file size before trying again, as Xero may require the logo to meet certain upload requirements. After your logo has been uploaded successfully, your company branding has been updated. The process only takes a few clicks, and you can revisit these settings whenever you need to make another change. Before leaving the page, review the updated logo to make sure everything looks correct. If needed, you can upload another version until you're satisfied with the result. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you update your company branding with ease. Please like and subscribe.